Hi, everybody. I'm Stephanie Carroll, owner of Accelerate Spreadsheet Solutions, and today I'm going to do a little video tutorial on the filter function using your mouse. Now, the beauty of Excel is they give us many different ways to accomplish the same thing. So if you love keyboard shortcuts, they've got you. If you prefer using your ribbon, you can do that, like the menu options. Or if you prefer using your mouse and right-clicking, left-clicking, they've got you there too. However, today I'm just going to demonstrate how you use your mouse to filter. Many people access, and you may know this, data filtering by going to your data menu here and applying a filter. Likewise, I'm one of these people who uses it a lot, so I've attached it to my quick access toolbar at the very top, as you can see there. If you want to know how to do that, send me a message or comment below, and maybe I can do another tutorial on achieving that. However, today I'm going to undo my filter and just show you how we use our mouse using the right-click function. So here I have a table with products sold each month with sales reps and their amount of sales. On the right-hand side, I have their performance, whether they're in the top third, which is a gold star, bottom third, which is a white star, or a half colored star if they're in the middle third of sales for the month. Now, to demonstrate, I'm going to show you how you can filter using your mouse. If I want to filter all the thingamajig plus items, I go to this cell here. And so I've made my cursor big so that you can see it. You're going to right click there, and then here you can see the filter. Now you have some options. You can filter by value, color, font color, or icon. So in this case, I'm just going to select the value. Now you can see all the thingamajig plus sales in the table. Now note at the top, I have the formulas changing automatically. These are using an aggregate function. If you want to know more about that, I'll put a link in the comments below. I have a cheat sheet for that if that interests you on how that formula works. You can just see the formula they're changing. All right, let's continue on the filter. So let's say I have Thingamajig Plus, and I want to see all the sales in the Eastern region. So again, I'm going to go here, select the value, and now I have my table filtered just by East and Thingamajig Plus. All right, I'm going to clear the filter. To do that, you can do it the long way, which is going to each of the cells that you filtered and clear the filters. Or what I like to do is go to either my quick access toolbar, or you can go to data, filter, and unselect all the filters. Now, this is another cool function I like, which is filtering by icon. So let's just say I want to see all my gold star performers. I just go to one of the cells that has the gold star, and now I can filter by the icon. And now it just shows me all my gold star performers. And let's just say I want to see all the gold star performers in the South region. Again, I'm going to filter by that value, and now I can see who has achieved gold star ratings. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'd love to see other things that you're curious about or have further questions, comment below or send me a message, and I will try to provide you those tutorials either through my blog or through another video. Have a fantastic day, and let's accelerate your business.